How do I look? Oh, gotta adjust these a little bit. Looks good, right? So it is time for me to learn some new skills. I have never soldered electronic components before, so I'm going to figure out how. I've got a couple of little projects that I've started or that I've bought for myself to start to learn how to do this. So we'll see how it goes. As I begin, I stare at the instructions for a ridiculously long time. I don't feel confident about my understanding of them. Okay. Here I go. The tools feel awkward in my shaky hands. I think I got it. I think I got one. I got some new supplies. My next project to be completed with my new welding station. Check it out. I got dispensers and flux and a variety of tips and a little sponge for cleaning and a nice little tip on there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and get it warmed up. I'm an artist learning electronics, and you may be wondering why. Taking raw parts and harnessing their potential power by combining them is a simple way of describing electronics. It could also be used to describe making art or the process of learning. My curiosity is such that I can't help but wonder, what could I do with all three? All right, so for my next project, now that I've got a couple under my belt, is this. How can I harness the power of art, electricity, and learning? As I worked my way through these projects, the one thing that I noticed is that not only did my soldering skills and comfort level improve with the soldering iron, but I also got better at filming it. I found a quote that I found inspiring and perfectly summed up my thoughts as I soldered and learned and tried to harness the power of art, electronics, and learning. It's from Roger MacDonald. And I don't know his work, but I really like his quote. As electricity is a great power in the world, so the inner mind is the greatest power available to you. Neither operates independently, Both depend upon a separate agency to ignite them to action, and both bring helpful or harmful results according to the wisdom or ignorance with which they are directed.